Guys, do you know this? Oh, it got lost. Wait. And then... Oh, what? Where's... I shall hear that, right? Okay. No. Wow! Yeah, it got... Wow! Oh, where's it? Wow! What was that? Sis, look, I have this power. Go away already. When I touch you, you disappear. Okay. Oh, just Rita. Okay. I can touch anything now. No. Wait, what? I can only touch this? Rock. I ruined your video. How about this? Oh. Huh? Nani? Why is it still here? Why is it open? It's supposed to be done. Yeah. Oh, I ruined your toy too. Ouch! But wait, don't hurt you break my toy. Oh. Joke lang yan, pwede yung ma-fix. Fix right now. Hindi ako alam mo, pwede mo yun. Mimay, oh. Sasabihin ko kay Daddy, oh, Mimay, oh. Na-fix ko. Thank you po. God loves you and so do I. Kasi sasabihin ko pa rin kay Daddy, pinalo mo ko. Thank you. Ha? Sorry. I'll say it to Daddy, okay? Sorry naman. It's okay, sis. Ma, come on here. Give me a smooch. Give me a kiss. Ma. Hi. Bye. Finally, guys, I touched my hand. Yeah. Watch it. Anong video mo, Mimay, okay? Video mo. Oh my God. Thank you to save me.